Isang taon naming inimbestigahan si Congressman Zaldico.
And here's what we found.
We know Zaldico today as among the main architects of the controversial 2025 national budget. Zero subsidies sa PhilHealth, funding cuts sa DepEd at bilyon-bilyong budget para sa ayuda program na AKAP na brainchild ni Speaker Martin Romualdez. Weeks after President Marcos signed the budget, Congressman Zaldi was abruptly removed as chairman of the House Appropriations Committee. Sabi niya kusa raw siyang nag-resign due to health issues. Pero naniniwala ba kayo dun?
Before his rise to politics, Zaldico was never a nobody. Kilala siya sa Bicol bilang isang matagumpay na negosyante. In particular, he co-founded Sunwest Construction in the 1990s, and under his leadership, it has become a super contractor of the Philippine government. Noong administrasyon pa lang ni former President Gloria Arroyo, nasa top 10 na ang Sunwest sa may pinakamaraming kontratang napanalunan mula sa Department of Public Works and Highways. Bukod pa sa construction, may mga negosyo na rin siya sa tourism, hotels, and subdivisions.
Pero balot ng skandalo ang Sunwest. Kung magbabasa ka ng news archives, maraming beses nadawit ang pangalan ng kumpanya sa mga anomalya, such as allegations that it cornered projects that were funded through Congressman's pork barrel. Ilang beses na rin inimbestigahan ng Commission on Audit ang Sunwest, pero never na blacklist. In 2021, it was one of the 5 companies, alongside Pharmally, that each secured at least 1 billion pesos in pandemic supply contracts. Mantakin nyo, construction company, pero 18% ng kinita noong 2022 galing sa pagbebenta ng medical supplies. A few years ago, nasangkot din ng Sunwest sa maanumalyang procurement ng DepEd ng overpriced laptops.
Zaldi no longer wants to be identified as owner of Sunwest. In 2022, he clarified to a fact-checking organization that he has sold his stake in the company in 2019, the same year he became the representative of his party list group, Ako Bicol, to Congress.
Marahil alinsin dito sa Republic Act 6713, which instructs public officials like ko to avoid conflict of interest. Ito yung hard copy ng ilan sa mga dokumentong review namin. And what we found is that his divestment doesn't really give the public a complete picture. Wala na nga yung pangalan niya sa Sunwest Construction, pero isa pa rin siya sa mga may-ari ng mga kumpanya sa ilalim ng Sunwest Empire. Gaya ng Sunwestville na nasa likod ng maraming residential at condo projects sa Bicol, kung saan mayroon siyang shares na nagkakahalagang higit sa 400 million pesos. O may Cibis Land, developer ng luxury hotel, kung saan mayroon siyang active investment worth 349 million pesos. O Embarcadero Land Ventures, kung saan mayroon siyang shares worth over 500 million pesos.
At si Congressman Zaldi pa lang yan ha. Yung asawa niyang si Mylene at